We are going to talk about energy. So we'd like to know, how are you all doing? What improvements have you seen in yourself after doing this regular meditation? Most of you, I can see, आप लोग regularly meditation कर रहे हो हमारे साथ at this time. Otherwise, also if you're doing. So how is this series helping you all? Good, great. Okay, so let's discuss. Yeah, feeling good from inside. Nice. Good, good. Feeling good. Okay, so now let's understand today कुछ एनर्जीज के बारे में. मोस्ट ऑफ यू हियर आर प्राणिक हीलर्स. कुछ लोगों ने प्राणिक हीलिंग नहीं किया है, सो आई वुड लाइक टू नो ऑल्सो आप में से कितने लोगों ने प्राणिक हीलिंग कोर्स अभी तक नहीं किया. आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट. जस्ट एक्सपीरियंस द मेडिटेशन मे बी. So if you're a non-pranic healer, you can just write NP, non-pranic healers. Okay. So we are the school which we talk about the energy. Our teacher, Grandmaster Chokok, so he is the founder of modern pranic healing, and he have made this school where various courses are offered, जिसमें हम लोग through healing we can help the person to feel better physically, emotionally, relationships can be healed, finances can be improved, spiritual growth can happen. So lot of all with what we talk about is energy. But today let's talk about basic things. कि बेसिक कौन सी चीजें अगर वो हम लोग करते हैं, if we add certain things in our life that can help us to increase our energy level, and which are the things which we need to subtract. कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए जिससे हमारी एनर्जी लेवल कम होती है. सो पहली चीज आई विल सजेस्ट यू ऑल इज जस्ट चेक आउट फॉर नेक्स्ट 7 days हाउ इज योर एनर्जी लेवल. व्हेन यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, हाउ डू यू फील? आपको during till the time 12 p.m. how do you feel? आफ्टरनून में कैसे लगता है? शाम में हाउ इज योर एनर्जी लेवल? एंड बाय इवनिंग हाउ डू यू फील? इज देयर अ टाइम इन अ डे वेयर योर एनर्जी ड्रॉप्स? एंड इफ इट ड्रॉप्स व्हाट यू डू? कौन सी चीजें आप करते हो जिससे आपकी एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ती है इन जनरल? बिकॉज it's a life, we will always go through ups and downs, but if you have a list that these things helps me, इस चीजों से मेरा हार्ट एक्टिवेट होता है, आई फील जॉय, इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू हैव दोज पॉइंटर्स. because what we will talk about is in general, but for every person different things can work. Okay, so let's do some sensitizing. Just feel the energy. I would like you all to feel the energy. आपने कुछ हद तक तो फील किया होगा मेडिटेशन में. शायद आपने ब्लेसिंग्स करते वक्त कुछ आपके हाथों से जा रहा है, समथिंग लाइक दैट यू माइट हैव एक्सपीरियंस. जस्ट फील द एनर्जी. रोटेट. कैन यू फील समथिंग? I would appreciate if you can keep your videos on and just tell me, can you feel something? Yes, feel हो रहा है? Now just do it like this. Keep this energy on your left hand and feel it. अपनी एनर्जी बॉल जो आपके लेफ्ट हैंड में रख दिया. हाउ डू यू फील? चेक. हाउ डू यू फील ऑन योर लेफ्ट हैंड? और आपके राइट हैंड में कैसे लग रहा है? राइट हल्का हो गया, लेफ्ट हैवी है. यस. नाउ टेक दिस बॉल एंड कीप इट ऑन योर राइट हैंड. And now check. Is your right hand heavy? Yes. See, look, we all have 24 hours. हम सबके पास कितने घंटे भगवान ने दिए? 24 hours. Successful people also have 24 hours and struggling people also have 24 hours. What is the difference? Difference is energy. Successful people, they keep their energies high no matter what. It's research says those people who are successful, generally they walk fast, they get up early, and when they are in a room you can feel their vibes. आपको feel होता है कभी vibes, energies? Like it's not only the physical presence of a person which you can feel कि okay ये बंदा है यहाँ पे person है. You can feel the energy. Some of us we spread loving energies. Some of us when we are in others' presence they can feel very blessed, very happy. And you might have seen few people, they radiate irritation energy. You don't like to be with them. So it's not the physical body which is making the influence, it's your energies. So it's very important. You need to check every morning, how do you feel? How are your energy levels? Because that going to impact आपका productivity. आप just check कीजिए, जिस दिन आपकी energy level अच्छी होती है, चीजें फटाफट हो जाती है. You are more productive, you can focus better, easily irritate नहीं होते हैं. किसी ने कुछ कर भी दिया, you are driving and somebody hits you, still it's easy for you to let go because your energies are high. And just think of the days when your energies are low. What happens? We are generally irritated. छोटी छोटी चीजें हमें affect करती है because our energies are low. So what is our responsibility? Our responsibility is to keep our energies high. And especially, I appreciate everyone's effort to be here at this point of time, जहाँ पे आप शायद टीवी देख सकते थे, you could have scrolled your mobile, watch something else, but you are sitting here to do this session. It means that you want to work on yourself, you want to enhance your energy levels, right? So जो भी चीजें मैं अभी आपको बता रही हूँ, वो चेक कीजिए आप कौन सी चीजें करते हो. If you are doing already, good job, just tell yourself very good, and how you can improve it qualitatively. Okay, and maybe quantitatively also. Few things you need to multiply. Like exercise you are doing before to enhance meditation, which we are guiding now, 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. But maybe some of us, we can consider doing meditation, the exercises 20 minutes a day. Some of us who are already doing 20 minutes, we can consider doing it half an hour. So which are the things which you will add, which you will subtract, and which you will multiply? Okay. So first thing which we need to take care of is our physical self, our physical body. How we can take care of our physical body, which things will increase our energy levels. The first most important thing is sleep. How many of you get deep sleep nowadays? Just let me know in the chat. Especially after joining this meditation session. Sometimes me. Okay, good. Not till me, ठीक है. No, because of timings. What? Deep sleep, where you feel very fresh after getting up in the morning. Have you experienced sometimes you are sleeping, but still when you get up, you feel exhausted? आपको लगता है अरे बाप रे कहाँ कहाँ जाके नहीं आए, क्या क्या नहीं किया, थकावट महसूस होती है. इसका मतलब नींद ठीक से नहीं हो रही है. एंड द मोस्ट हीलिंग विच हैपन्स इन आवर बॉडी इज ड्यूरिंग द स्लीप. जब हम सोते हैं सबसे सबसे ज्यादा हीलिंग होता है हमारा. Have you observed when you get up in the morning, you need to clean your eyes, your system gets cleansed, your mouth smells. Why? Because a lot of cleaning is happening when we sleep. Because our chakras, they get a time not to support our physical movements of the body, but to repair our physical body. Our chakras, the energy body, which we talk about in pranic healing. So उनको टाइम मिलता है हमारे रिपेयर करने के लिए, क्लेंजिंग के लिए. There is a lot of regeneration also happening in the body when we sleep. Have you seen your hairs growing? Especially check gents in your home. Generally उनके बियर्ड जो रहेगी वो रात सुबह उठने के बाद बड़ी हुई होती है. Your nails, they are bigger when you get up in the morning. What does this mean? The regeneration is happening when we sleep. So do you really value your sleep? Do you prioritize your sleep? 7 to 8 hours we should sleep, and we should have a time, a rhythm, a circadian rhythm we need to follow. आज मन किया 10 बजे सोए, कल 12 बजे सोए, कल 2 बजे सोए. It should not be done like that. There should be a proper timing for our sleep, and try to make your sleep deep. How you can do various ways. For example, this is the meditation which we are doing. This is helping to clean our aura. जो भी हमने stress जमा किया है दिन भर का वो निकल जाता है. That contributes towards having a better energy and a better sleep. Then you can consider doing abdominal breathing. before sleep and otherwise also in a day after getting up also. Breathing is very, very important. Because that is the one thing which we do after taking birth and the last thing which we do when we leave the body. But many times we don't give priority to this, the breathing. Pranayam. We are from India. We know the importance, but how many of us are really practicing some kind of pranayam or simple deep breathing? If you are doing, congratulate yourself. If not, please do consider doing some type of breathing exercises. दे से हमको भगवान ने सांसें गिन के भेजा है. So if you breathe slowly and deeply, what will happen? We can have a long life. And if we breathe short, what will happen? हमारा लाइफ कम हो जाएगा. और आप देखिए जो एनिमल्स लंबी गहरी सांस लेते, स्लो सांस लेते, उनका लाइफ ज्यादा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल tortoise. And the animals which breathe fast, for example dogs, they have a short life. So breathing is very, very important. And because many a times what happens, the things which we get for free, we don't value. Like this meditation also, when we started this meditation, so many of them were joining the session, but today it's just, I think 200 something were there. But because if we would have charged you for this session, so कई लोगों ने join किया होता शायद. So वैसे क्या होता है ना, कई बार breathing we don't take it very seriously, but it is very important that we take care of our breath. So what is the right breath? Abdominal breath. आप देखिए जब बच्चा सोता है तो कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट मूव होता है उनका? इट्स अ चेस्ट और एब्डोमेन. इट्स अ एब्डोमेन, it's not the chest. But observe your breath. How are you breathing? Many times adults, they don't breathe properly. They do chest breathing. छाती से सांस लेते हैं. और हम छाती से सांस कब लेते हैं आपने ऑब्जर्व किया? When we are angry and irritated. When we are in stress, how do we breathe? गुस्सा जब बहुत करते तो क्या होता है? We start breathing from chest. That is not the right way, because lungs के आजू बाजू there is a rib cage. Lungs are here and surrounding there is a rib cage. So lungs doesn't get sufficient space to expand even if we do chest breathing. But when we do abdominal breathing, lungs can expand vertically, and that's how we can receive a lot of oxygen. And if we can hold our breath, then a vacuum is created in our energy field. So जब हम लोग सांस छोड़ने के बाद सांस रोकते हैं, एक वैक्यूम तैयार हो जाता है, और उसके बाद जब हम सांस लेंगे तो बहुत सारा प्राणा हमारे ऑरा के भीतर आएगा. So holding and abdominal breath, this is very important. So when you inhale, your abdomen should go out like a balloon. जैसे गुब्बारा होता है, हवा डालने के बाद बाहर आएगा, वैसे ही हमारा abdomen बाहर जाना चाहिए. Hold your breath, exhale, abdomen will go in, so that diaphragm will push the lungs. Lungs will get contracted properly, and then they can release the carbon dioxide properly. So do consider doing pranic breathing before you go to sleep, once you get up, and maybe in afternoon, or you can do it like before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner, but try at least 3-4 times in a day if you can do deep abdominal breathing. This will calm your mind. क्योंकि अगर चिड़चिड़ करके, गुस्सा करके हमारा ब्रीथिंग पैटर्न चेंज होता है, तो कैन वी चेंज इट? Can we do proper breathing so that our emotions can be in control? Yes, we can do that. Because many of us, we do react instead of responding. और क्या होता है, कई बार रिएक्शन होने के बाद फिर ध्यान में आता है, यार ये चीज क्यों बोली मैंने, क्यों ऐसा किया, या ये डिसीजन क्यों लिया, why I chose this, because at that time we were not aligned, or our chakras were not balanced, our emotions were not balanced. So abdominal breathing will help you to increase your energy level. It will help you to feel calm. So check it out, that how many breathing cycles you can do at one time. You can do as many as possible for you, but at least do 12 cycles. So inhale, hold, exhale, hold is 1 cycle. Like that, कितने cycles करेंगे हम? 12 बार. तो आपको एक चार्ट बनाना है आपका, कि आप ये चीजें कहाँ डालने वाले. सिर्फ सुनिए मत, मुझे लिख के निकालिए, because listening is not going to help. Knowledge is not going to help. Yes, Kavita Kharat. You need to apply this knowledge. You are listening to so many speakers, but आप सुनोगे और बोलोगे वाह कितना अच्छा सेशन था, and then you don't apply, it will be of no use, right? How many of you, by the way, are doing salt bath? One of the speakers spoke about the salt bath. कितने लोगों ने ट्राई किया And how are you feeling? Can you just type in the chat? Because that is also one way to improve your energy levels. How was the experience? Feeling better, right? So sleep, again coming back to sleep, sleep is important. अगर आपकी नींद ठीक नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे? गो जो भी आपका टाइम है सोने का, उसके 1 घंटे पहले यू स्विच ऑफ योर मोबाइल्स, डोंट यूज द स्क्रीन, लाइट कम कर दीजिए, यू कैन रीड समथिंग बट रिलैक्स, डू थैंक्स गिविंग बिफोर यू गो टू स्लीप, ईश्वर को शुक्रिया अदा कीजिए हमेशा, जैसे आपने देखा ट्विन हार्ट्स में हमने थैंक्स गिविंग किया at the end, like that you just say thanks to God for that good day or whatever you can be grateful for. Just check, ऑडिट कीजिए रोज सोने के पहले आपका दिन कैसे था, how was your energy level, how were your emotions and thoughts, and if there was something which was not right, what you will do, you just mentally say erase, erase, erase and replace it with the thoughts, emotion, visualization कि क्या चीज होनी चाहिए थी. So before we go to sleep, what we will do? We'll do audit of our thoughts, emotions, energy level. You need to check, जैसे मैंने कहा start में, you need to check at which point of time in a day your energies are high, which actions are helping you to increase your energy levels. So audit करोगे आप सोने के पहले, thanksgiving करोगे, do abdominal breathing, you can practice gratitude because that will improve your mindset. Then you need to just tell yourself, take life easily. दिन भर तो वैसे स्ट्रेस ले लिया है, काम का, घर वालों का, रिलेशनशिप का, न जाने किस किस का, राइट? सो रात में खुद को बताइए कि इट्स ओके, लाइफ happens to everyone, and whatever we are going through, all the experience, good experiences and not so good experiences, are all contributing to have a good life. They are all contributing for my growth. So when you have that space of mind कि okay, जो भी हुआ है वो सब अच्छा ही है, शायद हमें अभी समझ नहीं आ रहा. आपने देखा कभी कभी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द किड इज गोइंग थ्रू एग्जाम स्ट्रेस, the kid is going through lot of stress, but आपको पता है कि वो स्ट्रेस उसके लिए अच्छा है, right? That challenge is good for him. वैसे हमारे लाइफ में कुछ challenges बहुत जरूरी है, तभी वो हमको हेल्प करेंगे लाइफ में इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, बिकॉज द ग्रोथ हैपन्स आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन. When you are in comfort zone, it's not going to help. So you need to tell your mind कि okay, whatever I have gone through, it's all contributing towards my growth, and all the right things are happening at the right time. You need to improve your connection with the God before you go to sleep, because when we sleep, that is the time to grow spiritually. जब आप अचीविंग वननेस विथ हायर सोल एक कोर्स होता है हमारा, when we do that, we'll understand. We do astral travel when we go to sleep. So if your aura and chakras are better, you will go to higher worlds. That's why thanksgiving, abdominal breathing, gratitude and audit, this will help you. Plus, if you struggle with sleep or you want to experience, just go and check out some Yog Nidra. YouTube University हमारे पास, so much knowledge is available there. योग निद्रा टाइप कीजिए, जिसका आपको कनेक्शन फील होता है, ट्राई दैट आउट. You can listen it few times and then you can do it for yourself, where you relax each part of your body. You can be grateful to each part of your body. You can practice forgiveness. You can just do deep breath. You can do so many things, but you need to relax. You need to train your mind to disconnect from the world. बिकॉज डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, वो सारा स्ट्रेस अगर हम लेके जाएंगे नींद में, सो हमारे एनर्जी बॉडी का टाइम किस में जाएगा? टू हील अस ऑन इमोशनल लेवल, नॉट द फिजिकल बॉडी को हील करने में उसकी एनर्जी यूज नहीं होगी. सो डिस्कनेक्ट. दोज हु आर प्राणिक हीलर्स, यू नो हाउ टू कट द कॉर्ड, कट योर कॉर्ड. ओके, will we give more importance to our sleep now? Please do give. That's the time when proper healing happens. And once you sleep properly, morning you will feel very fresh. Without alarm आपकी आंखें खुल जाएगी. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अलार्म बज रहा है और हम फिर भी और थोड़ी देर और थोड़ी देर. And once you get up in the morning time is very important because it's like a foundation for our entire day. जितना फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग रहेगा उतना दिन अच्छा रहेगा. तो आपका मूड अच्छा है, इमोशंस अच्छे, योर डे विल बी राइट. So ask yourself 1 to 10, how is my mood today? Is it very happy? Is it 10 out of 10? Or I am feeling emotionally low? Emotional scale पे आपके emotions कैसे हैं? For example, on emotional level, your scale is 5. आपको ठीक नहीं लग रहा, you are feeling sad for whatever reason. Now then ask yourself, what I can do to improve my energies? And you need to do that. Like for me, I just, after I get up, I start my day with invocation generally, because that's the, I think that is the ideal way to start our day. To be grateful to God for giving us life and that beautiful day. हर किसी के लाइफ में वो सन नहीं देख पाते जब वो आंखें खोलते हैं. Able to see that, we have to be grateful. We have to start invocation. आह्वान करना है. किसे आह्वान करेंगे आप? ईश्वर को कीजिए, परब्रह्मन, अल्लाह, the supreme God, the ultimate one. Then you can invoke to your spiritual teacher. You can invoke to all the spiritual teacher, higher beings, angels. Okay, in general, you can invoke them. And what you will invoke for? Ask for help, ask for guidance, ask for protection, ask for good health, joy, and whatever else you want. But कुछ चीजें हैं, ये चीज आप मांगोगे आपके हेल्थ के लिए. आप you will ask for good health. For your emotions, you will ask for joy, peace. For your mind, you can ask for good intelligence or wisdom to make right choices. For prosperity, you can ask for prosperity, success, and spiritual growth. So these are few things which we should surely include in our invocation. बिकॉज जब हम लोग आह्वान करके दिन की शुरुआत करेंगे तो क्या होगा, इमीडिएटली हमारा ईश्वर के साथ कनेक्शन पहले स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली द एनर्जी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, so in case you first open your mobile, you are a person who needs mobile first in the morning, I will suggest try for next 7 days, don't touch your mobile for some time. Don't touch. So already if you're not touching it for 5 minutes, extend it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, but don't use it for some time, because when you check your mobile, what content are you consume? आपका दिन सही चालू नहीं होगा, आपके कनेक्शन चालू हो गए ऑलरेडी, एंड मेनी ऑफ देम आर अनवांटेड. सो क्या होगा, आपकी एनर्जी ऑलरेडी डिसिपेट हो जाएगी. मतलब अच्छी नींद से जो आपने एनर्जी ली है, दैट यू विल जस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट टू नॉट राइट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. So invocation, some physical exercise is important, because रात भर body was sleeping, it needs some stretching, it needs some movement in the body. It could be just jumping, shaking, jogging, something. So when you do that, there is a surge in your happy hormones. आपके बॉडी में हैप्पी हार्मोन्स रिलीज हो जाएंगे. सो सबसे पहला चीज, इन्वोकेशन कीजिए. बेड पे बैठ के क्या क्या कर सकते हो आप? लाइक इन माई केस, आई डू इन्वोकेशन, आई डू ग्रेटिट्यूड, आई डू वट एवर. आप लिखो नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट मेंटली यू कैन डू. आई डू ग्रेट इन्वोकेशन. ग्रेट इन्वोकेशन इज अ प्रेयर विच helps to bring down divine light, love, and power on Mother Earth. It generates lots of good karma. So if that you can do great invocation prayer, then blessing your day, blessing all the people who you are going to meet, and all the visible and invisible beings. So short, maybe it can be 5 minutes when you get up. ये 5 मिनट में आपकी बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है. Then some physical movement, so that proper energy flow and blood flow will be there. When it will be there, you will feel good. If you want, you play some music that can help you, which will improve your energy level basically. आप में से कुछ लोग को भजन पसंद है, कुछ लोग को बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक पसंद है, कुछ लोग को हॉलीवुड म्यूजिक पसंद है. जो भी आपको पसंद है, try that you play in the morning to increase your energy levels. Your energy levels should be high. And surely say hi to yourself when you get up in the morning. When you brush, look into your eyes and tell that you are awesome. And you will have a great day. Because our self-talk is very, very important. And if the quality of self-talk is not right, we will not attract the right things. So सुबह आपको कैसे, maybe that day you want to relax, so tell yourself, okay, today I want to relax and chill out. Today is my productive day. So at least give some direction to your mind, your body and emotions कि आपका वो दिन कैसा होना चाहिए. So ये आप सुबह उठ के डिसाइड करोगे तो क्या होगा, यू विल बी अलाइन, यू विल नॉट रिग्रेट एट द एंड कि अरे आज ये करना था, ये रह गया, वो रह गया, वो रह गया. सो if you can do that, at least define your day, how you want your day to be. Today I want to implement, today I want to be more kinder, today I want to be more generous, today I want to be in more reflection mode, today I want to be a happy person, joyful person, no matter what others do, but today I will be joyful. नो मैटर कितने डिस्ट्रैक्शन होंगे, आज ये काम मैं कंप्लीट करके रहने वाला हूँ. सो व्हेन यू have that right intention, you will see your energy levels will be at different level because you are aligned. And at the night, as we say, audit कि वो alignment था क्या, नहीं था, so कौन सी चीजें आपको distract कर रही थी, next time you can reduce them. Okay, exercise is important. So morning some exercise and later part of the day, see if you can have some exercise. Okay, let's do an experiment. We felt the energy. Now just say how much is the energy level of my this one palm. कोई भी एक palm का energy level कितना है, आप intention रखें और feel कीजिए. Okay, now exercise this palm. ये हाथ को आप exercise कीजिए. Shake, 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 shake. Let's scan. Let's check the energy level. What is the observation? What can you feel? If you can type in the chat. How is the energy level now? 4 times more, it's increased. It's increased. Increased. Can you feel also it's much stronger, but at the time it's subtle? Bigger, increase, increase. It's subtle. Just by this exercise, if our energy is increasing, why we should not consider doing regular exercises? Movement is important. There is a research which says 1 hour in a day doing gym is not helpful, but being in movement is more helpful. Of course, that exercise you have to do, you should do, but apart from that, you should not be sitting at the one place. Every 2 to 3 hours, get up, walk, do some stretching. That movement is important. That will help for proper energy flow in the body. So how you can bring back more movement in your life? Because nowadays, the life which we are living doesn't require much of physical hard work. Sorry, can you guys hear me? Okay, sorry. So it doesn't require much of hard work. What the body part which is getting more exercise is our fingers. Everything we can do here. We can order food, we can order vegetables, we can do our bank work, everything can be done on phone, almost everything. So body का movement नहीं होगा, body का movement नहीं होगा तो हमारा basic चक्र weak हो जाएगा. मूलाधार चक्र कहते हैं उसको संस्कृत में, and मूलाधार चक्र is a foundation. If it is not strong, how our body will be strong? So when we do exercise, when we do some movement, our physical body will become strong. Also a suggestion that this research is going on. We are also trying that after every meal, you walk for at least 10-15 minutes. Just walk. It will help your sugar levels to go down, to get normalized. खाने के बाद, heavy meals के बाद specially, आप एक 10-15 मिनट walk कीजिए. Your sugar levels will be normalized. So give importance to exercise. If not every day, proper set of exercise, thrice a week, twice a week. कब कर सकते हो, कैसे कर सकते हो, that you have to try. Instead of taking a lift, can you take stairs, के स्टेप्स ले सकते हो, कि आप चल सकते हो, कहाँ कहाँ चलना पॉसिबल है वहां पे ट्राई कीजिए. जस्ट बी इन मोर मूवमेंट, you will feel better. Keep your posture right. Don't sit like this. Check on every day. I'm not talking about now. It's already almost, what's the time? Oh, I'm over time now. ठीक है. Try, your shoulders should be straight. We should be in a right posture. That will help for the proper energy flow. For that, movement will be helpful. So, can we commit to have more movements in our day-to-day life? Yes. Solid morning routine is very, very important, because if your morning routine is right, it's like you are set for the day. Few things I have suggested, few more things which you can add, or if you're already doing this, what extra you can do to improve your energy levels in the morning. Try that out. And you don't need to take out extra time. You can just put these things in your day-to-day routine. For example, when you're brushing, you mentally do gratitude. When you are taking shower, that time you let go of the things which are unhealthy. When you are getting ready, that time you think of the quality of the day which you want your day to be like. For example, as we said, productive day, peaceful day, whatever type of day you want. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बहुत एक्स्ट्रा टाइम निकालने की जरूरत है. आप जो ऑलरेडी कर रहे हो उसमें आप ये सब चीजें ऐड कीजिए. Yes, if you can consume some good right content, it could be a one page of a book, it could be a nice podcast, it could be anything. Where your physical body का हमने बात कर ली, हमने एनर्जी बॉडी की बात कर ली, हमने हायर कनेक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिया. फॉर योर मेंटल बॉडी यू कैन कंज्यूम सब गुड कंटेंट. Content is very helpful, because physical body के अलावा how are your thoughts and emotion, that will have a great impact. So if you're going through some relationship issues with yourself or with someone, वो एक दलदल के जैसे आपकी एनर्जी खींचते रहेगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. एनर्जी वेस्ट होते रहेगी, एंड रियली दैट पर्सन डिजर्व्स योर अटेंशन सो मच, और दैट इंसिडेंस यू नीड टू चेक, because keeping your emotions right is in your hands. So take care that you are doing some efforts to improve your relationships, because that will increase your energy level. So whom are you surrounded with? They say ना, आपके जैसे 5 लोग आप पूछ लो किनके साथ आप ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, and you can tell about the personality of a person, how that person is. So if your close friends, they are more into spiritual practices, you must be into spiritual practices, like that. So check out who are you surrounded with. Are they increasing your level, or they are decreasing your energy levels? So if they are increasing your energy level, be more with such people. And the people who are depleting your energy, see how you can disconnect. Maybe sometimes physically it's not possible. Like you have to be in a home or a workplace जहाँ पे आप साथ में ही रहोगे. But at least energetically, mentally, can you disconnect with them? Try that out. Again, practice gratitude and forgiveness for your relationships. If you already don't have people with whom you would like to be, तो आप एटलीस्ट आपका गोल में लिखो वो, कि आपको किस टाइप के लोग चाहिए आपके साथ, लिख के निकालो. Bless that after your meditation. You will attract such kind of people in your life. Yes, like energy attracts like energy. So check for your thoughts and emotion, because it's very subtle. That awareness should come with your regular meditation, where you are able to be aware कि okay, आपका घोड़ा, दिमाग का घोड़ा बहुत भाग रहा है and गलत जगह पे भाग रहा है. That you're not thinking the right things. So you should be able to control it. आपका दिमाग का घोड़ा आपके हाथ में होना चाहिए. लगाम आपके हाथ में नहीं है, it's not right. You need to train your mind. How you can train your mind? You need to take pauses in your day. एक रात में हमने बात कर ली, वैसे ही आप एक पॉज दोपहर में ले सकते हो क्या, वेर यू जस्ट चेक, लुक एट बैक एट योर डे, हाउ वाज योर डे, आर द थॉट्स विच आर गोइंग ऑन, आर दे राइट? इफ नॉट, जस्ट टेल योर माइंड स्टॉप. I'll कंट्रोल डिलीट जो चीजें राइट नहीं है, इरेज. So use some word to stop yourself. Use some chanting. I think Vijay spoke about it. Chant Om will help you. Om Namah Shivaya will help you to disintegrate the thoughts which are not healthy. So surround yourself with good people, with positive friends, positive environment, and check your lifestyle. How is your lifestyle? Are you extreme at any level? Because that will again deplete the energy. Work is good, but if you are too much into work for 7 days a week, 30 days a month, then it will again deplete. We need pause. Break is important. और जब ब्रेक लेते तो ब्रेक लीजिए ठीक से. You can relax. Allow yourself to relax also. Maybe in a day, कौन से दिन में कौन सा टाइम है जब आप रिलैक्स करने वाले हो. Maybe it could be just mindless scrolling something or watching. I don't know how you can relax, but you need to see yourself. So give yourself time for that also. It could be just a walk. It could be just sitting, but where you can replenish your energies. और कब करने वाले, कौन से टाइम में करने वाले. अब some of us, we are playing different roles. You are a mother, you are maybe a husband, you are also working somewhere, you have a business, you have employees, you are this and that. Multiple roles we all play. So many a times we give importance to things which might not be contributing for our long-term growth. So वो भी check कीजिए कहाँ पे आपका energy loss हो रहा है, and how you can stop doing that. Okay, so for physical improvement, what you will do, energy level improvement, exercise, breathing, proper sleep, eat right food, the pranic food which will increase your energy levels, and the food which decreases your energy level, which we all know, packet foods and all, reduce that. Okay, bless your food. You know how to bless now. जैसे हम अर्थ को bless करते हैं, वैसे जब आप खाना खाते हो उसको थोड़ा bless करो. आपके पानी को bless करो. Do some nice affirmation. Thank you water for healing me. Thank you for energizing me. Whatever you want, bless and then consume. That will also increase your energy levels. Then breathing we spoke about, exercise, some type of movements, thoughts and emotions, human relationships, and ending your day with the right energy levels. Okay, I hope we will do some of it. जो चीजें आपको पट्टी है लीजिए, but at least try 2-3 things at a time. Don't try everything together because फिर हम follow नहीं कर पाएंगे. कौन से 2 से 3 चीजें हैं जो आप follow करोगे इसके बाद, that you write it down somewhere and try to follow it. Okay, so thank you so much. Surbhi, to you.
Yes, thank you so much, Dee. Thank you for the lovely insights on energy. And I request all of you, just like today when Leena Dee asked about salt bath, a lot of you said that you are trying it. And I also saw when ma'am asked the question, a lot of you are non-pranic healers. So it was a very nice feeling for me to see that so many people here are non-pranic healers. And I really hope that, so many tips Leena Dee has given today, and even some of the tips, if we follow diligently over a long period of time, no, even these simple techniques, they are so powerful that they will change a very huge chunk of our life, right? So let us hope that a lot of you practice at least few techniques. And Leena Di, thank you so much for guiding us for the 3 sessions, and otherwise also your support has been very much important to me and to us throughout the entire event. And we really hope that we have you again for a few sessions. I know you're very busy with your classes, with kids, with everything, but I know you are also a superwoman, and I know that you'll manage some time and give us more sessions in future. Thank you.
Yes, surely. Thank you so much, Surbhi and entire team for inviting us, and we could share whatever the teacher has shared with us. And yeah, thanks to all of you, because अगर आप लोग नहीं होते तो हम लोग नहीं होते, session नहीं होता. So thanks to all the participants. It's all because of you guys are receiving it so well.
Yes, yes. We are having a consistent 200 plus number D from the beginning. Of course, the numbers dropped, but there are definitely 200 plus people. And in the last 21 days, I myself also realized that it is a very big challenge to be here every day at 9:30, right? So congratulations. And you should, all of you who are there consistently, you should really Be very proud of yourself that you could make it every day. Thank you so much.
That's very true. We all are very proud of you and thank you. Take care. Take care of your energies. More energies, you will be more productive, more happy, more healthy, and more successful in your life. So please do take care of yourself and your energies the way you take care of people around you and your work. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. And we will see you all tomorrow again at 9:30. I think tomorrow, oh, yes, tomorrow is Sarika Bivalkar session. She is going to do some mass healing, and there will be also a forgiveness session. There will be a talk on forgiveness. And if I'm not wrong, there is going to be a session on self-love tomorrow, or probably a mass healing. Of course, we're going to announce about the same. But request you all to be there. We have last 3 days only remaining, and I also I'm going to send a feedback link. I request all of you to post your feedbacks about salt bath, especially. Vijay sir had texted me yesterday night that he wants to know how salt bath is working for the people who are trying it. So you can post your feedback about the experience with salt bath, and also if you have any experience to share about your last, I think 18, 19 days of Twin Hearts journey. So thank you everyone and good night. See you all tomorrow at 9:30. Atma Namaste. Thank you.